Hey, there you are. I was just thinking about you. Well, I'm getting ready to send off a care package to the craftsman. I want to send him one of my free-range cockatoos. And I took a box and I painted it up to try to make it look like his, so I wanted to show you that box. It's kind of funny. So hang on to your hats. Right, Peaches? You gotta hang on to your hats. Well, of course, the craftsman, he had a nice box. It was all, he even bought a die cutting machine. And his was all printed up nice and looks all professional and everything. So I decided I would try to make my own box. Of course, I had to paint it. I couldn't print it out. I probably could have figured out a way to do it. I sure do loves me some craftsman. Stud walker. So you go from not painted, then you follow the arrow to painted. I found this little button. I'll show it to you in a second. So you could put the button on or the crest, and it says, warning, contents may be fun. Here's the best part. Free range cockatoo design stolen from the craftsman. 2019. Oh, that's so funny. Alright, let's look in the box. First it says, oh snap, you done broke the box. Well, the box is kind of hard to close. It doesn't want to go in there right, so I figured but he was struggling to close the box, that'll make perfect sense. I tried to put in some velvet on with a hot glue gun. It is really ghettified. So, here's this unpainted. There's that little button I was telling you about. It was a big old thing, and I just carved it down until I got this size. I'm not sure what it was. It was made to be pushed in. It had some legs on it. So that was fun. So that gives you an alternate. You can have the button, or you could have the cockatoo crest. Oh, and then I'm gotta send him a poem book, a few oatmeal cookies. So that's gonna be fun. All right, friends. I guess that's all I got. What do you got, Peaches? She's too busy doing her work. You want to say bye-bye to all the YouTubers? Come on, say it. Oh, one more thing I forgot. Yesterday, John Wyndon stopped by. He's one of my loyal subscribers, and he comments sometimes. He stopped by for a visit. He was on a road trip in his van. We had a great visit. Got to meet his dog Bear. I gave him the grand tour. So I just want to give a big shout out to John Wyndon. He just retired January 5th, I think he said. So he's on to new adventures now. So congratulations, John. I sure appreciate you stopping by and visiting and petting Peaches.
I should have wrote. I don't think I wrote my email on that card I left you, did you? Did I?
I can't remember. I got it in the dresser there.
I can write you my email address. You should send those to me. That'd be great.
Yeah.
Hey.
Well, that's all I got for now. You got anything to add, Peaches? I guess we'll see you down the trail. Thanks for stopping by. Take care, friends.